This is Tom Asprey with the Viper Report. In this weekend's video, our stock's ready to tip the scales. I delve into the latest contribution to Forbes.com, where I point out that last Friday's close set the stage for either a rally or a further decline, and we were watching Monday's action to tip the scales in favor of the bulls, which was what the favored scenario was. Well, the Dow closed up 36, NASDAQ up a 1.5%, and S&P over 40 points. So I guess that verdict is it. A week ago, I was looking for a market correction because there were signs that the bearish strategists out there were getting nervous. So we needed a pullback to reassure them that they were okay on the short side of the market. They're probably getting worried today. CPI tomorrow could go either way, but the positive advanced decline numbers today suggest that after the dust settles, the market will indeed move higher. In the past videos and emails, I've been trying to encourage traders and investors to get back in the market. I know after 2022, that's a tough hurdle for many of you, but how the market is acting right now, I think you'll regret it if you don't have a plan to start getting invested. This was the title of the couple weeks, 10 days ago. It's never too late to get investing. Obviously, you're not going to jump in with both feet, but we would recommend a dollar cost averaging report and looking at some of our specific recommendations. These are some of the stocks and ETFs we were buying on last week's pullback. IWF, it's a growth, large growth. Microsoft and Apple make up about 20%. We had a nice setback here. Was up 1.5% today, so it looks like it's ready to move higher. Cloud, a cloud ETF, also pretty growth was 1943, came down to under 18 on Thursday, and now moved back up. A couple of stock recommendations: Inspire Medical Devices, Copart. Also, we're showing a nice profit already. Those GG Graco is a new recommendation. This is the kind of stock I'm looking for. We saw the extended move up here last week, and then we had a very orderly pullback here to the 20-period EMA, and it was up 1.7% today. So we cleared a hurdle here, so we're raising our stop on that position. You can see the volume has turned higher as it has moved higher, but on the correction there was low volume. That's technically what you want to see. So I hope you won't totally give up on investing in the stock market. If you want specific advice or training, go to the Viper Report. You can pick up the Viper ETF report or Hot Stocks. Each is only $34.95 a month. And also I do one-on-one training with you, so email me at tom@viperreport if that's something that interests you. Hope you enjoy the weekend video. I'm off next week, but we'll have another video in 2 weeks. Thank you.